Good morning, guys. We're over in Rainhill this morning. We took a call a couple of days ago. A lady had a fall in a bedroom and some blood on the carpet. So we'll show you how we're going to hopefully get rid of it. You can see, I think it was a knee that she'd cut on the way up the stairs, and it's drip blood all the way in from the start to there. We're going to use this product, which should break it down, and then we can rinse it out and get it dried. And we'll get back to you very short. Okay, so we've finished this blood job now. I'm going to pan the camera around and I'm happy. We've got a good result. Every inch of it removed. Remember what it was like before? It was all in this area. Completely gone. Okay, customers delighted with that, absolutely made up. They're going to leave us a nice review on Facebook. If you'd like to get us in, just pop us a photo over of anything you want doing. You can do it via WhatsApp, our normal message on the phone number, Instagram, Facebook. WhatsApp's our preferred choice. We can get back to you a lot quicker on that. Have a good day, everybody. Enjoy the sunshine, and we'll see you on our next video. Take care. Bye-bye.